For the last decade, oil and gas companies have been fully sensorizing their rigs, generating and storing massive amounts of data. Yet despite having all of that data, some companies haven't taken the opportunity to do more with it. For instance, they still rely on static maintenance schedules instead of scheduling their maintenance based on the real-time conditions of their assets. At Spark Cognition, we're dedicated to solving this problem. Spark Cognition Oil and Gas Maintenance Advisor analyzes your data and uses machine learning to make predictions. Predictions like when something will break. And while the machine learning part might sound futuristic, it's really just the process of using your data to build models that make accurate predictions. For example, taking the abundant data history you've collected on your rig, we can predict not just what will break, but when and why. Using Oil and Gas Maintenance Advisor, you'll be able to optimize your maintenance strategy in advance. You'll have the right staff with the right parts at the right time, which leads to a big reduction in non-productive time. Oil and Gas Maintenance Advisor can be operationalized in days and scales easily to new asset types and even entire processes. You'll soon see the cost savings and competitive advantage that machine learning enables. In past deployments for super major customers, Oil and Gas Maintenance Advisor delivered annual production gains of up to $30 million per platform. Data-driven predictive maintenance isn't just the wave of the future, it's already here. Prevent costly downtime, reduce maintenance costs, and improve productivity with Spark Cognition Oil and Gas Maintenance Advisor.
Spark Cognition, AI perfected for business.